കൊട്ടുവറിയാത്തൊരാളെ എങ്ങനെ കല്യാണം കഴിക്കാം കൊണ്ടൊന്നും പറ്റുമെന്ന് തോന്നുന്നില്ല.
At the start of it, I was keen to make a film about the friendships that are unique to a city like Mumbai, which is a very big city, and it's like the relationship between they're odd friendships. And they are very city friendships. It's for example, Anu and Prabha, like they're different ages. Prabha is kind of like Anu's boss almost, but they're living in this apartment because probably she needed a roommate. This girl was coming, and just it was like this. They don't probably like each other all that much to start with, and then the friendship between Parvati and Prabha, also the older woman, and Prabha is also unique because they speak two different languages, and that's not that can only happen in a big city that you would meet. Otherwise, you will stay in your own state in India and you'll meet people that speak your language. But in a city like Mumbai, you meet people who speak different languages. So this friendship is also unique. So that's kind of what I wanted to make a film about, the unique friendships of Mumbai for women especially who come there to work. These women are financially independent. They are living away from their families, back home from the village or town that they came from, and they're living physically on their own and probably even supporting people back home, sending back money. So there is a kind of financial freedom, and we're always taught that financial freedom is what will lead to freedom of choice for women. But in India, it's more complicated than that. Of course, financial freedom is a step towards it, and it's great. But I wanted to kind of talk about these other things that are still around that don't allow actually for choice to be under one's own control, and that is something that was worrying for me.
പക്ഷേ തൽക്കാലത്തേക്ക് ഞാൻ ഈ മേഘത്തിൻ്റെ കയ്യിൽ കുറച്ച് കൊടുത്തിട്ടാലോ.
As a filmmaker, I'm very interested in having as little information as possible and to kind of evoke some feelings in the audience where you feel more for this couple than you do for those who are upset with them. So for me, it was more important to just stay with them, the couple, and the kind of love that they have between them, each other. And for me, it was the romance that needed to be protected because it's so fragile and so vulnerable. And as the audience, I wanted everybody to root for it.
लगता है ये जगह है ही नहीं, गायब हो जाओ तो किसी को पता भी नहीं चलेगा.